Hello and welcome to Placement Wala. I am Muskan, co-founder of Placement Wala. So today's hiring is really very important for 2025 batch, and I'm not joking guys. It is really very important as Flipkart is hiring 2025 batch and they are giving you 32 LPA. It's not a joke. They are giving you 32 LPA, and if I would be 2025 batch pass out, I would have left no stones unturned to get this opportunity into my hands. So let me start without wasting any time. So here is the Flipkart information. You can read that. And here is about the role, what all they need from you. They are not just hiring coders. They are hiring those who have product thinking, business thinking, and they can give you solutions. So you should have all these qualities. But what is important here is you should know coding, BSA, and one hands-on knowledge on one coding language. So they have written here that you should have excellent coding skills, strong command over at least one general programming language, that is Java, C, C++, Ruby, and etc. So you should apply as fast as possible because this link can close anytime. So like you can see, they are giving you 32 lakh 57,000 per annum. Okay, and relocation is also, you can also relocate as they are giving you many benefits under this hiring also. So I will tell you who all are eligible for that. It is Flipkart off campus 2025 hiring for role SDE1 software development engineer. So you have to write your email over here, then your name, then your contact number, then email ID, then your gender, then your institute or college name. So the courses which are eligible over here are BE B.Tech, ME M.Tech, Integrated M.Tech, MSc dual degree, or other you can mention. And the specialization they need from you is just CSC, IT, or ECE. So just apply as fast as possible because it is really an amazing opportunity. The link is mentioned in the description box. It's a direct link, so don't worry about anything. You have to write your year of passing, CGPA out of 10, and internship details, company name and intern timeline. Do you have full time in hand? If you have any other full time offer, you have to mention that. And if you don't have, then write NA. Willing to relocate to Bangalore. So the location is Bangalore, and you can also, after joining, you can relocate to any other place also if that will be available to you. And then you have to upload your resume over here. So that's all for today, and it is really an amazing opportunity. Go and apply as fast as possible. And one more thing I want to ask you guys is that please tell us in the comment section that what kind of videos you need more, because I just saw a few comments. They were asking for the coding questions related to some other hiring. So I will be surely providing you all that information. So that is really very important for us to know what you guys want. So please write in the comment section if you have any doubt. So thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more updates.